Set the timing at 2,000 RPM with the engine running. Okay, see that white line right there? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. See that line on that indicator right there?
Mm-hmm. And the little tab.
That's 2.2 before top dead center.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what you do is you just hook your timing light up, shine it on this. Okay, and this is the left side because the points are opening. All right. So, just put your timing light on it, fire it up to 2,000, warm it up first. So it'll idle and then run it to 2,000. Throw the timing light in there.
Mm-hmm. And the timing light positive would go, is this the left plate?
No, you hook it to the battery. Do you have one you hook to the battery?
The timing light I use for my car is not the same as the one.
It should be, but you should be connecting your timing light to your battery. Positive and negative on the battery to pick up power.
Oh, because I usually on the car I put it on the negative coil wire, and the other one is ground.